In this video, we will review how to register for courses that are linked together in a learning community. C&M offers certain courses in a learning community format, meaning that specific sections are linked together and you must register for them as a group. Common learning communities are the EMT basic courses, nursing assistant courses, phlebotomy, and certain other nursing and fire science courses. Your first step in registering for courses that are part of a learning community is to review the information posted on our website to choose which group of CRNs you are interested in taking. You will find the Learning Communities information page under the Register menu option right here. You can also search the words Learning Communities in the search box at the top to get to the same page. In this video, I will use EMS courses as an example, but this information still applies to other learning communities as well. First, I will click on the term when I am interested in registering to see what days and times are available. For this example, I will choose the first group of classes, but you can scroll through the different groupings to find other days or times that work best with your schedule. Please be sure that you also read through the important information at the top of the section. I am going to want to take note of the CRNs I have chosen so that I can enter them directly into EduNav to register. Now that I know which group I want to register for, I can log into my C&M and enter EduNav. Once you are in your EduNav plan, locate the appropriate term column and click Add a Course. When the search field appears, you can type in the first CRN and it will automatically bring up your first course. After typing this CRN, you can click on the course and then click on the Add button to add it to your term column. You'll repeat this step for each CRN in your learning community group. Once all courses in your learning community show in your term column, make sure that they say they are marked to register. If you do not see that they are marked to register, you can use the Change button to mark them to register. At this point, with all courses ready to register, I can click the Registration button so that it processes my request for all 3 classes at the same time. This step is very important because if you try to register for the classes one at a time, then you will receive errors. After clicking the Register button, we are then presented with a review of all actions that are about to be processed. After double checking my choices, I will click the Confirmation button at the bottom. I then receive confirmation that my registration is successful. If your registration is successful, you are then presented with your next steps. If a learning community is full, you may or may not see an option to waitlist. Some learning communities do not allow students to waitlist, but if you see an alert that says waitlist available, you should be able to add yourself to the waitlist and wait to receive emailed permission to register if a seat becomes available for you. If you receive permission to register from the waitlist, then at that point you would need to be sure you have added the additional Learning Community linked CRNs to register at the same time you accept your waitlist permission. There are two common situations that cause students to run into errors that prevent them from registering. Both of these situations will result in the same error message seen here. The first situation occurs when students have mismatched the CRNs and are not choosing the correct combination from our website as described at the beginning of this video. If you have already double-checked that you are choosing the correct CRNs, then the second common situation that can cause this error is that you do not meet the requirements to register for the Learning Community. Please be sure to review the course description from our catalog to determine what you need in order to meet the requirements to register. If you have any questions about what it is that the system is not recognizing, please do not hesitate to contact the registration office right away for more information. We hope this video has been helpful. Please do not hesitate to contact us with any questions.